Everyone, welcome back to Study with Kit. Today we are going to learn about acid and bases. We are going to cover in this chapter what are the acid, what are the base, what are the indicators, how we identify the substance, whether that particular substance is acidic or basic in nature. So stay tuned with me and let's learn in a simple way. So first one is what are the acids? So acids are the substance that taste sour. They turns blue litmus to the red litmus paper. Some common examples of the acids are uh, lemon juice, vinegar, and curd. Acids are basically found naturally and are also used in our daily life. Learn what are the bases. Bases are taste bitter in taste. Then it feels slippery when the substance, if we keep in that litmus paper turns in a blue color. So the red litmus turns into the blue color. That time we call that this substance is the basic in nature. Basically it found in the baking soda and soap. About the natural indicator. Now natural indicators are the substance obtained from the plant or the natural sources. So they help us identify whether the substance is an acid or a base. The first natural indicator is a litmus paper. If we kept that litmus paper in an acidic solution, it turns into the red. And if we kept in a basic solution, it turns into the blue in color. So another natural indicators are the turmeric. Turmeric remains yellow in acid, but if it turns reddish and brown in color when it reacts with the base. The China rose indicator. It's also called as a natural indicator, and in acid it turns dark pink, and in a base it turns green in color. So natural indicators help us easily to identify whether the substance is acidic or a basic. Now let's learn about the neutralization. So what happens when an acid reacts with a base? Do they remain the same? No, they react to form something new. So what is this process called? It is called as a neutralization. An acid react with a base to form a salt and water. So we can say that acid plus base gives salt and water. So where do we find neutralization in our daily life? Let's find out. When we have too much acid in our stomach, we feel pain or acidity. So doctors suggest us about take the antacid, which are bases. These bases neutralize the excess acid in our stomach. Then let's learn about the soil treatment. So how does neutralization helps in the soil treatment? When soil becomes too acidic, a base like lime is added to neutralize it. When factory waste we released into the river. So because it may be acid or basic. So it is neutralized before disposal. So if so what did we learn from this? Neutralization help make harmful substances safe and is very useful in our daily life. Basically, we learn how acids are we are able to identify, how basic substance we are able to identify, and what are the neutralization treatment. So these are the basic things in this chapter. Now, last one, but very important, in our daily life, how that acidic substance and basic substance are useful for us. So lemon for the cleaning, and the baking soda for the digestion, and the soap as a base. So these are three substances which we use in our daily life every day to clean utensils, baking soda for the digestion, and the soap for the bathing and cleaning the cloth. Now let's observe in this experiment step by step. First step is we have taken burette conical flask, stand, and the measuring instrument. Then a base solution is taken in the flask. We added a few drops of an indicator such as phenolphthalein indicator to observe the color change. An acid solution is carefully filled in the burette. Acid is slowly added to the base solution while continuously observing the color. The acid reacts with the base. The color of the solution changes, showing that neutralization has occurred. Acid plus base gives salt and water. It proves the process of neutralization. Finally, what safety rules must be followed? Always handle chemicals carefully and perform experiment under supervision. This experiment shows that when an acid reacts with the base, neutralization takes place and producing salt and water. So students, what did we learn today? We learned about acid, bases, natural indicator and neutralization. We also saw how these concepts are used in our daily life and in a laboratory also. Science become interesting when we understand it step by step. Thank you for watching this lesson. I hope you enjoyed learning today. If you like this video, keep learning, keep asking questions and stay curious. See you in the next science lesson. Thank you and bye bye.